Hello learners, welcome to Atya Studies. Today we can understand another program on arrays of LeetCode. Okay, let's start writing the program on LeetCode platform. What is the program here? Concatenation of array. Here, if you see the description, given an integer array nums, okay, of length n. Here we have integer array has given by an object name is nums. So this nums length is n. You want to create an array. We need to create another array of ans of length 2n. Okay, where ans of ith index double is equal to nums of ith index, and ans of I plus n double is equal to nums of I. So what it means here, if you see, we can understand the program by these two examples. Input nums, here there is one array 1 to 1, right? The elements are 1 to 1. What is the output showing here? The concatenation means repeating the array another time. That's it. 1 to 1, 1 to 1. We need to store this array into another array, that is ans array. Okay, so let's understand the program. Here, first of all, I am taking n. What is n? Nums dot length. Okay, I am creating another array. Another array, it should be ans is equal to new integer. What is its length? 2n. Okay, I am looping the elements. Int I is equal to 0, I less than n. The loop should iterate up to this nums length. Okay, I plus plus. What is my requirement here? I need to concatenate array by another array. So whatever the elements are present in this nums, I need to store those elements into ans array. So how can we move one from elements from one array to another array? We are just assigning nums. Whatever the elements present in nums I, these elements should be assigned to ans of I. But it is not our requirement, right? Just cloning one array to another array is not our requirement. Our requirement is concatenation of nums. So concatenation is nothing but we just repeating the array into another time. So how it will be possible? Simply I plus n, whatever the elements were present in nums of I will move to the next, because we have taken ans length is 2n, right? So we can store up to, let's suppose if you take this example 1 to 1. So let's understand here in notepad. See, array 1 comma 2 comma 1. This is nums array. Nums is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 1. Here, if you understand the line number 6, what I am doing, I am just passing the array elements one by one into the ans array. So ans array, initially what will happen? 1, 2, 1 will be stored. So let's understand by looping here. First, I value is equal to 0. Okay, here I value is equal to 0. I less than n. What is n length? N length should be 3, right? 1 to 3. N length is 3. So 0 must be 3. Okay, condition is true. Then it will enter into the loop. Nums of 0th index value is 1. Now nums is equal to, the value will be 1. The 1 is stored at ANS 0th index, right? So ANS of 0th index value is equal to 1. Here nums of 0th index value is equal to 1. ANS 0th index value is also is equal to 1. Okay, the ANS got one element over here. It will move into the next line. Nums of I. What is nums of I? Nums of I means nums of 0 only. That is assigned to I plus n. I plus n means here I is equal still 0 only. Second line as well, I is equal 0 only. So let's take nums of I means nums of 0th index value is equal to 1 only. But here when you see the ANS array, I plus n means I is equal to 0, I value 0, and what is n over here? N means 3, right? Our length, which means ANS at third index position 1 will be stored. Right? Means ANS 0th index position is 1 and third index position is also 1. So I am writing ANS elements here. So how can we write? Let's understand by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Elements are at 0th position, the value is 1, right? Okay. Now at third index position value is 1. Okay. The loop will end here. I value is increased to 1. Okay. 1 is less than n. Yes, 1 is less than 3. It is true. Now I value is what? 1. So let's understand with I is equal to 1. If I value is equal to 1, nums of I means what is our nums array? Index 1. So at first position we have second value, a second element. The value is 2, right? So these two will clone into the another array, that is ANS at which index? At first index. Okay, at first index the value is 2. 2 is assigned to 1. So here we can simply write 2. Okay. Here, okay, first line is over. For I index 1 only. Okay. What is our nums value? Nums index I won't change here. So these I is equal to 1. First position value is 2. But here our ANS array index value is changed here. I plus n means I is equal to 1. Okay. N means 3, right? So now at ANS fourth index value should be 2. That is what, right? What we are here doing? Whatever the first position value is stored to the I plus nth position, which means fourth position. So here you can see 2. Now I value is increased to 2. So we need to iterate the loop for 2. So nums of 2, second index position value is what? 1, right? 1 is cloned to second position of ANS array. The value is 1. Okay. Now I value remains same only. I am just calculating for second line here. Nums index position at 2. The value is 1. So similarly here I am not changing anything. Nums second index position value is equal to 1 only. But here ANS index position is little bit increased. Like now I value is 2, right? So 2 plus 3 is what? 5, right? So ENS fifth index, at fifth index the value is 1. So at fifth index the value is 1. Here at second index also I got the value is 1. Got it? 1 to 1, 1 to 1. This is an array. We just written what we need to return here. We need to return ANS array. Let's debug the code here. Nums dot length. Sorry, here I am not declaring n data type here, right? So that's why it is showing an error. Int n. Now it was accepted, the two cases. Let us submit the code. Yes. So this is the solution. I hope you understand the solution well. Thank you for watching the video till the end.